Poop happens. You've been crapping since the day you were born. Isn't it time you got used to it? You're a meat machine. We all are. We process foodstuffs, thoughts, and all forms of energy. It's just a small part of what us meat puppets are born to do. Madonna shits. The Pope shits. The Dalai Lama, the Queen, the next person you see, loads of people you don't even know, all those uber sexy girls in that band you love. Every single person born on this planet, including Jesus, has, hopefully, daily had to bend over and expel, usually with accompanying noises and smells, a completely transformed version of what entered at the other end of the body earlier. In fact, when you think of the entire human race squishing out at least on average one individual turd a day, that's a whole lot of poop going on. Well, if you can't look your poop in the eye, sometimes it actually has an eye. In fact, my cousin invited her now husband to check out her poop because it looked like a winking pelican. She was so excited, he refused. Then what you are not looking in the eye is your basic humanity and the essential ebb and flow of energies that make all of us up. It's a fact that people who are bunged up generally have trouble letting things go. Conversely, those who are constantly running for the shitter may have energy leakage they might want to examine and put in check. Those who have lumps of corn in their turds simply have just eaten corn the night before. As above, so below is an unrestricted, all-embracing reality that does, indeed, extend to your inner environment. A whole other issue I'm just too lazy to cover here. But, pulling up the point of poop, by not allowing yourself to positively embrace your own bodily functions, you are psychologically and energetically allowing yourself to skirt around some of the fundamental details of your world, which may or may not include those spackles on the underside of the bowl. It's amazing how many people don't get down to the nitty-gritty of a good bowl clean. And that skirting around the issueness spirals upwards and outwards and all around you. I told you, this book is about paying attention to your surroundings, and that means all of it. So what is it you've missed, apart from delighting in that squinting pelican you've just created?